up, everybody? I don't know, I just wanted to make a video right now, but yeah, it's raining outside. So I don't know, you guys can't see, you can see a couple raindrops, but you know, it is what it is. You know, I used to fucking love this weather. I don't know what happened. It used to give me so much fucking goddamn energy. Now it's just like blah. I gotta figure out what the fuck happened and what changed. Sorry about this, guys. I'm trying to pop my hood for my car and I can't see where the little thing is. The latch is right there. Latch don't work. See, latch don't work. So what I do, bam, there you go, now it's open. So, reason I did that is because I have a question for my car guys. Durkee, Pat, fucking whoever else is on my channel that knows cars. I need your help. This motor mount right here I got to take out, but I can't take it out because this is stripped. You guys can hear it, it's stripped, and I don't know if it's the threads that's in there or it's the bolt that's stripped. So somebody please give me your input. Durkee, fucking Pat, anybody, I don't care. Ryan, let me know. Alright, I'm back. But yeah, that's this, and here's the engine. It's kind of dirty, but it is what it is. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna try and get this so you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see right there, but it says Yamaha. This is a Yamaha engine, co-designed by Toyota. That's why this car is rare, because of the engine. But yeah, 1.8, it is not fast, it's quick. There's a difference. And as soon as four motherfucking Honda guys, Durkee, I'm talking to you, realize your car is not fast, your car is quick. Okay, let's race, nigga, let's do it. I just want to see if I can keep up with your ass, and if I beat you, I'm gonna be fucking surprised, because as you can fucking see, I'm stock, completely stock. This is the only thing I did to the car, and I gotta get rid of this fucking green filter. Gotta put the K&N back on there, but I do have. Let me see if it's in the car. I don't want to show you my car right now because it's fucking dirty as fuck. But sorry about the camera angle. But actually, I shouldn't apologize. But I got this bad boy. Yes. Yeah, as you can see, a little bit of my car is dirty. There's fucking weed right there. God damn it. I don't give a fuck. I work at a dispensary. I'm a delivery driver, so I don't care. But yeah, I got that little dual setup going on. And this is what I got right now. Little Greddy. The Greddy exhaust stock on the GPS. On the GT, no. Anki 16 premium wheels. Yes, these are stock rims. They are just painted gold. And I don't know about you. Oh fuck, god damn it. I fucking tripped over this goddamn fucking stump. Danielle, I know you're gonna laugh at me in this. Everybody, please laugh at me. That's fucking funny, okay? I'm not hurt. I'm okay. That's all that fucking matters. But looks good, I'd say, with the blue and the gold. The color I'm gonna choose for the car is going to be, look up the Toyota Celica T-Sports. And I believe the color is Thunder Cloud Gray. But look that up, and it's the only color that car comes in. And that is the rarest Toyota Celica that they make. So I want it to be the rarest color. So, and then over here, you guys already saw the other side. But just show you from the other side real quick. I'm gonna go in because as you can see, it's raining. But see, there you go. Not bad, not bad. From a distance, it looks good. But as soon as you come up, you're like, bam, what the fuck? Your car's fucked up. Nigga, only I could say my car's fucked up. Nobody else can. If you do them fighting words, I'm just fucking with you guys. I don't give a shit. You guys can say my car is a piece of shit. I don't care. I know it's not. And that's all that matters. It's my opinion about my car. Any other things? Yes, I will take color ideas for the inside. Yes, I do want your guys' opinion for that. I'll show you the inside next video when I clean this bitch. But yeah, that's my car, and I'm coming back, and I'm out. Peace.